Ay3ka no krebi. Me Bishop Rock. My respect Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo na aban. Adintra. Live we program where me menka bofobia wum. E me kasa che Ghana fo. Mama yendwini ye nkofo.
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TV GH so. Wafre me adwoa searching. Ebusiafo unsubscribe ya mesro na subscribe me notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo ni pe okase oye bishop na o kire se emum pade asofofo omo Ghana ode ono ne ho ka ho. Omo edi Ghana hwammo, omo edi youth ne hwammo, omo edi citizens omo Ghana ha no mi na hwammo. So omo ginai eye campaign ebi wo gina omo asori dem. Omo aye service no omo apon no na omo de omo mic ato hono na omo kasa monto aba ema John Dramani Mahama na Bawumia do yepepeni Bawumia be de Ghana so ebebre Bawumia ni trim ya den Bawumia ye kronfo e wa bra me ne wo kase upon intro asame jamfi okuja to ablakwa name them did good Dr. Bawumia ne so no me ne wo kase che se me ya se fa ba kumpo ni wa ewo
Ay3ka no krebi. Me Bishop Rock. My respect Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo na aban. Adintra. Live we program where me menka bofobia wum. E me kasa che Ghana fo. Mama yendwini ye nkofo ho first. Ejan abrofo. One poster that's wrong. Say all this while na ya no the pressure is na do na buy so say you release your street boys no. No mo face try our baby. And I do say me mom nko ne mom nko china. Mo apologize to us. Command speech be UN. So speech ko na president Mahama command bi o na the politics. Na go for represent na do di ka ma speech ni bi o. Na mi so me ni na so omo ka kira abofo no say boni omo di before no also omo pa ye chew no omo compensate ye. And I do ko say president Mahama beto so beautiful. That is good. Na mi so me ni na man. Dem no say ka follow up no to aso. Action no unu ase da bi. Me fa me nko from remo. Abekura wo de osa momo yama yama. Omo nya nipa nchen. O baba church from kwasasem live ya yi post ya se no na me ntua woka. Obia dwen ni man ho. Wola omo nko fa ba Ghana abesa re try. Omo be ma omo nko fa ba Ghana abesa re try. Sa over enthusiasm na bank of phobia president Mahama appoint omo no. So no aso ka ho ametimi kire. Over enthusiasm. Today media no be atie o. You are telling the whole West Ghana afford the small boys no street for no me akronfo. O catches on mine no mo be investment to na akronfo kwa netia. Inadvertently, that is what you are doing. Because so to the president endorse crime. Crime ben a chance say ba be hwia your gold akọ na omo da chechire omo kro. And akọ Bank of England gold reserve a tower. Omo pound no ten ko form da no. England gold be o winnim nyame asem winnim Israel focus so Misraim for no omo use omo like slaves so omo use you go for like slaves no omo tia no compensation yakobos Moses me che onyansa bi cause kame Egypt for no kona ko buom ko ka che omo say erade se yenko esre so na yenko sum no 3 days na yekoso ye yankopon na ye gold e be share chains e be share anklet e be share den rings timudi no fa maye ye boro 3 days be baba they knew they will never come back or bible fraud be na chewe by legitimate because a recompensation of the evil and atrocities meted out at innocent people. A prayer was hiding and this year by President Mahama. Me disappointed in you people. How are you street boys name? Now, when you said yesterday, all the street boys were for your coming back. Because they thought Ronaldo was a bad person. Sell on the name of Musavia. No money. On the BBC, they have a tour, say US Attorney General, no kind. And that's the Master, we enjoy your call for him first. o me andwi yen nkofo andwi broni hu nche wa nkofo na ye to abato 28 broni bi na abato abade bi abawo America ni on pe wasem UK ni on pe wasem de wo no ope ye lithium ni ye gold ni ye oil ene ye diamonds no ene hia omo ene ye manpower human energy o ye doctor pe ye say ye bebra you say American lottery kura ye the skills in a filling form no skills ka say ya unya utimi win they need you to use you they don't want to help you so why are we helping them it's the biggest error of the century and they say yeah asante way and they say yeah asante way obi say baby yoko also on the air adwuma na oh how massa you are killing your own government unni am ka tell them you are destroying your own government na unni say boys na was street ne so no me na me street papa o di for penny street papa na me tell unni ma boys na mo street ne so no bu afu mu a kama sa sia charge am ye o street ne so ebetia boys no massa I'm to talk triple tracks now. Omodi man driver for up and down. Yeah, you know my being. I did not reduce unemployment in the country. Oh, brony ni papa, brony ni papa, brony we ni papa. When you study on them, Nanado, big ups, my two chama. I do D. You're a great guy. What? Fili and Castle Lumai. Live long and live in strength with your family. Peace. FM Bishop Rock. But why won't you as you go to hell? Mechia ye mampeni mahama mechia yera asiedu ketia mechia general secretary Fifi Kwete and mechia chief of staff Honorable Julius Debra mechia ye vice president Maami Jane mesremo ni die mo akasa se odi fu penny a me wo krom ho a citizen of Ghana who has lived throughout all the elections and presidencies that have occurred in Ghana. 1992, Mitwaba, because I was old enough to vote. You know I am not a small boy. I mean, shows me my attention. On my penny, I mean, okay. And Sembi Kosu Kromha. Na ebe guma ban se mo anye careful omampeni da be na free speech ebe ye criminalized okrom ha ye penkofo a na se party a free speech a benefit more a National Democratic Congress kama dwen na fanya tumi kama dwen ni bitimi traso na akowura diatem efanya tumi tumpenimfo hu twantro tumpenimfo so efanya tumi aban bai achievement bakopa ebetimi appointed to you no say apart from dollar about from inflation or from any good one next achievement what opponents etum ordinary people on the street now chomutum. I am a trained psychologist now make my catch up place say the more you do that, you embolden thousands more to attack you. Especially when you use same approach to win power. And throw be from atebidi be from obiya no achi obiya education prison 2 weeks, remand 2 weeks. Is it remand 2 weeks be ababa so? Remand 2 weeks. Hey. Obi Frere, former President Akufo-Addo, useless president. No a member of your party, no a minister, very Sam George, sa boy bi no. Sa boy no, come in chair. I can call him boy. Yes. Otimi Frere, the sitting president of the republic, so you're useless. Now see, and you so useless, no, for want of a better word. Take a better word or a word than useless, like you see. Everybody was clapping. Because it was against President Akufo-Addo. I'm a penny marry few. I said, look at your era. And this is penny for that you only had 6.5 million out of 19 million. Murate me film hontem. out of 19 million. 12.5 million in our way. If you register Bishop Bishim, or even more. The universe smiled at you in 2024 because the former government too were doing nonsense. So now I say universe no bring on one senior page back. God, the Bible says God is a righteous judge. He brings one down and lift up another. Unfortunately, you are on a tangent or a path. You will go down very, very soon. You will go down very, very soon. My jai sign the man amoyena. Obisi Dumso Asayamba, Dumso is back. As a CID for watching him at so I said Dumso is back. Meanwhile, Dumso is back. Hey, Murafim won't tell me. Now, universe, you know, of favor the humble. I am very proud. It may sound harsh in your ears. Mean to me, do my attempt that because me buadia papa. Then we make the quite same plain. Said the universe is withdrawing the favor it has shown this government and your party. It is coming down. We are making. We are making for nebi. I'm about to comment. I did do attempt and yammy. Yeah, because the would do my attempt no more reduce my percentage anymore. Because I came in peace. Munda demo allow Ghanaians to express their frustrations. Because genuinely people are frustrated, including your own supporters. They are very, very frustrated. Muntie from Mamuntie Siko fans ni asofona or maybe praising Mudebiano. If I'm Bishop Rock, if you continue on this same path, Oba Kamesu, by the person mo Kamesre, so I'm giving you an advance notice. I won't call it a warning. In the realm of the spirit, I can call it a warning from the realm of the spirit. But I won't call it a warning. I'm only giving you advance notice. On my post, Amamo. Oh, and the trouble is a very rainy. It be my MP4. So my fabano simple. Because he's saying, oh, the mama find the penny agro. Obi ko a post. Oh, I was so. Sir, Papa Jama can never win the election. And away there. What the Munji sank of one post nini. When the universe turn its favors towards your opponent, you will be shocked. And let me tell you, you are reducing. Yeah. Timopa Munja de Moyen, Namon fixing Yoma. Promises Namoma and Monya. 133, no more supporters, no never before. More supporters, they are waiting for it. 133 be more happy before anyone the Benja Sajuman. More call for no. Go to your platforms and listen to them. They are more pretending. Moment of focus say, oh, the government is doing very well. Oh, the government is doing very well. The best president ever. Oh, the man of focus was opposition. I came in peace. Mo feel that Mr. Mochimia. Mo. The only problem is a very reduce more percentage, 10% more. Because me do be at them. Cannot cry much. No cry is painful. When you are so phobia, say will be complaining, say, Doom so bar, a young quasi again, Sa, why be now, so friend also no man or tete more roman. Will be complaining, say, Doom so bar and quasi again. So the pan would need the peer, but you have a problem. Because the same person was talking about Doom so in the previous administration. You know, I'm saying that the advantage be a one film wanting or praising more. Fixing your mama penny. I'm so bit to fixing your mama. It's a very bad legacy. Oh, which never affect your party. Macabio, I came in peace. I mean, some you will take wisdom. I'm calling an Bishop Rock. By the grace of God, I'm the general overseer, Lioness in Chapel. But that was what tell me. Your Excellency, I salute you, sir. God bless you.
Haptel ya e buy almost Dr. Bawumia ne dia ode scarf Ghana fo hono me. Omo ankasa beto omo anu to send Haptel no ya Dr. Bawumia dia. She say NDC fo kanya can say Dr. Bawumia is the most useless vice president ayanya wo Ghana hanom. Eto Ghana fo won trim. Forgetting said Dr. Bawumia ne vice president obeye enya mobile money interoperability. Sa mobile money interoperability na buy no and they would fie. I don't remember the last time I call bank. Me call bank and be me call koya de here. And they would me a transaction. Who is bank? Send this to account more bank. Dr. Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia and Dr. Bawumia name why any idea Ghana card. Dr. Bawumia and or the drone I dream by and the drone a bit is me constituency am if cloud of brapa sometimes me ko brapa me gina ho be 1 hour na drones are efia sikuma aba brapa e dia koniaba se say untumi nkan uncountable ni na ne say the moja ekọ the nsuba the moja ekọ na the nsuba emergency a che say omo frɛ ya na omo de aba drone service nende e wo he Sam George buy no ye ne hu so ofu a wawu ofu a wadeda na wahye ne koto ko gina ho na hey che say ne fese drone no oko drone center ho ekohwe ade a Dr. Bawumia ye Dr. Bawumia ne penso e no boy na Ghana ambulance yetimi provide one constituency one ambulance Dr. Bawumia ne penso na digitalization and akra ko baby na wonni ho a wo download the app to your phone so a baby a wo bebo bia de wo beko and so NDC for portray to Ghanaians said Dr. Bawumia is useless. And so vice president, you know, NDC for formal sense yomobo. Na ya na ja. Hey, it is painful. Ghana, aden. NDC for one vice president, NDC for formal sense yomobo and kase, yan vice president your ba di when you are baba into Dr. Bawumia almost say. And so na adan 1932 na sofo no be kind I'm quoting from the sofo no omo amechimi akotum 1932 na sofo no cast on NDC for this safe no eyampa na because as a youth ni na adwen sisi I say do ebi mu ehu se anya me nkoye no omo kasa fa ho ba me kire se Dr. Bawumia no omo kaso useless nti no omo de ye fa NDC mbra no NDC omo vice president in fact ona membu no ka ho because you de mami no promises obema emba women's bank obema omo obeti women's bank amemba skana omo de adidwa me pa cha ko 2 years mami no owe he like oye den wa membu ni mu with way eto Dr. Bawumia wetin me dey mobile money interoperability aba digitalization drone Ghana card nkwa de ye ma Ghana for amanone e na Ghana ha no mende ukura Ghana card da woni sika ukotwa de wotimi free wetua no wetua no installment and so almost Dr. Bawumia no is useless na kana me hwehwe se Ghana for sisi mo ani beba mo ho so na mo hu se Dr. Bawumia nyema we no ye na vice president ba ye hu de oye and so still so for kire say omo enu mo so omo campaign omo de omo mic to ho Dr. Bawumia ye say ene ye ma me fo no mo kwa so so de won so for be kan na ye final ni kunkura o ka che ne se ento aba ne mama ha ma ne so for akan kwa no beto and omo de ko fa NDC by omo ko fa NDC by ya the NDC abaye yende and sune so for kire say omo edi Ghana abro na so for mo edi Ghana abro so ampa we digana bro so for we digana bro so for mahama na mo so yes sent no onye pepe ni okwa assembly of board na nti mo de ne bae no ni appointee or the 7.5 akọ fix light o what's akra to kumase kwan on babeye ekwan na omo dodo ho keke no e ka omo abo omo e free parliament house ba no otia ubewu so for youth no e ko 2 years no onye adwuma nya yo so for 24 hour economy na bo so for nkokwa ketekete no NDC for anya nkokwa na awie so for nti mo aboga na bro papa some of the mic to fame e ka kira mo asori for say Dr. Bawumia nye ya de mahama eba mo aboga na bro mo diga na bro now so for mo hwe John Dramani Mahama so wa be ko tetem na chi na ka Ghana for bade say na asori agya na so say tetem de da na wo so Mahama tetem say wa be your president from 2012 to 2016 ya pam what say akokọ what's also by ye who left from all right so yes so ma tell them for what exactly for what reason tell them for what his excellency John Dramani Mahama any di ma ye bisaw tell them no wo do to me supreme monarch is ye wo ye no and I would be claim by force and as e beto aba when you go be go as wo Ghana ha no his excellency that is the tell them go do 4 years wie 2028 fi akomya no so ye hu kwem le yambra